Welcome to my channel. This is Maloney, and today's video I want to show you guys how I made my morning smoothie with my protein powder and fruits. I think I mentioned this before. My daughter only nourished. She only get breastfed. I tried her with the bottle ones and she threw up. She did not take it, so I don't bother her to take it no more. So I gotta feed my body, make sure I'm not losing all that's in me by breastfeeding, because most women don't know, if you don't eat right and drink right and you breastfeed for 6 months to a year, your body will eventually breaks down, and I don't want that. So I'm going to take you inside my fridge and then show you all how I make this smoothie. If you all didn't know this, if you buy a lot of bread like me, if you put the bread in the freezer, it slows down the process of getting it dried, or we Jamaican call it jonjo, are outdated. It's slow in the process, so it lasts for longer. I buy a lot of ice cream too, because I use ice cream in my shake. I don't know why he put my iron punch in it. You don't drink iron punch anyway. So I'm going to use this ice cream. It's French vanilla, because this is already open. These are melon Italian ice. I truly love these. So ready for this part. I got my yogurt and stuff. My chocolate milk, my 100% blend juice. These are good. I normally get naked, but there was no naked, so I get this brand instead. So today I'm going to use banana in my shake. I'm gonna use milk, the cow's milk, 2% reduced fat milk. Here I got eggs, a bunch of eggs, a bunch of sandwich meat, because I use those for lunch. I got my cheese for my macaroni and cheese, my butter, my taco stuff, my ghost pepper cheese, pepper jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, all kind of cheese. That's my watermelon. I gotta put it in a bag so it don't rot. Here I got my oranges, my veggies over there, a bunch of juice and stuff. What I'm looking for is my strawberries, okay? Oh, so that's my strawberry. No, this fridge stuff is very heavy, so it's hard to push in. Just grab this, grab the milk, so I'm thinking of orange juice. I'm just gonna set back a 4 tray, because I only need like 4 tray of the ice cube anyway. So I'm gonna set this camera up because I'm gonna get to blending, okay? Okay, so I got everything set up and I am ready to go. So first I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. I'm gonna go straight in with about 4 ice cubes. I'm going to use 4 ice cubes. 4 ice cubes, right? And I'm going to go in with my ice cream. It's Crown Creamy, that's the brand, and this is French vanilla. About 3 small scoop of this. I'll just pour four, because I really like ice cream. And the flavor of this is bomb. It's really rich. This is some really rich ice cream. I'm turning things down. And I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. And it's time to add the milk. So a little bit of that. And this is 2% reduced fat milk. This is my protein powder. I tore the label off by accident. But this is some protein powder for female. I normally just use 1 full scoop of this, although the instructions say 2. I do this my way. I'm gonna add a little piece of the banana. Just gonna use the ice cream scoop and slice it, because I really hate doing dishes, so I'm not going to use a lot of stuff like all these knives and stuff. No, honey. Now it's time for my strawberries. And I'm going to use 2 strawberries. And to give it a nice wash. Nice wash. I'm going to use my hand and break it down so it's easier to blend. And strawberry is nice when you put it with other things, but otherwise you just eat like that. Strawberry is really sour. It looks good at how it tastes, but it really tastes good when you add it to smoothies and other stuff. Okay, just let me get my rag and wipe my little mess up. Okay, so I'm now gonna plug in my blender, and this is the Magic Bullet. It's about $45 in Walmart, and it do crush ice as well. So it's a really nice little blender for your smoothie. And let me close it properly. Really get the job done. And there we have it, folks. Look at this. I'm gonna do it a few more times because I want everything to be well blend out and make it smooth and have a nice smooth taste. To just drink all done at once. Shake it up and blend it. Oh, and that should do the trick. And actually this is made as a blender, and also this part right here is actually your smoothie glass, which I'm gonna just rinse back off the top, and then you screw this on so it has that nice like a cup feeling and not just the rough edges, right? And I'm going to show you guys how it looks. I'm gonna get the camera. Glass of smoothie. It's strawberry, banana with some French vanilla taste ice cream, milk, ice, protein powder. I'm gonna let you guys know how this tastes. I can't wait. Guys, this is extremely delicious, and I'm gonna finish this off camera because when I'm finished there's not gonna be anything left in the cup to explain about it. It is smooth. I can taste the strawberry in it. I can taste the banana. I can taste the French vanilla. It's just nice and smooth. Oh my god, you should try this sometimes in the morning. This stuff is really good.